Traffic congestion, causes and solutions. Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, your go-to channel for exploring the fascinating world of civil and traffic engineering. Today, we're tackling a topic that impacts millions of people every day: traffic congestion. Let's explore what causes this gridlock and the innovative solutions engineers are implementing to keep our roads flowing smoothly. Understanding traffic congestion. Traffic congestion occurs when the volume of vehicles on a road exceeds its capacity, leading to slower speeds, longer travel times, and increased frustration. While it might seem like an inevitable part of modern life, congestion is a complex problem influenced by various factors, including urban growth, vehicle density, and infrastructure limitations. Population growth and urbanization. Rapid population growth and urbanization are major contributors to traffic congestion. As more people move to cities, the demand for road space increases. Unfortunately, in many areas, infrastructure expansion hasn't kept pace with population growth, leading to clogged streets and highways during peak hours. Commuting patterns. The traditional workday creates predictable surges in traffic during morning and evening rush hours. These commuting patterns concentrate vehicle movement into specific timeframes, overwhelming road networks and causing delays. Flexible work schedules and telecommuting are some strategies being explored to spread out traffic volume. Insufficient public transportation. A lack of efficient public transportation options forces more people to rely on private vehicles, contributing to congestion. Cities with underdeveloped bus, train, or metro systems often experience higher levels of gridlock, as public transport can play a crucial role in reducing the number of cars on the road. Infrastructure challenges. Outdated or poorly planned infrastructure also exacerbates congestion. Narrow roads, inadequate intersections, and limited lanes are common bottlenecks. In some cases, construction projects or road maintenance further restrict capacity, compounding traffic delays. Traffic incidents. Accidents, breakdowns, and other incidents are unpredictable factors that can severely disrupt traffic flow. Even minor fender benders can lead to significant backups, particularly on high-traffic roads where there is little room for diversion. The role of technology in managing congestion. Technology offers promising solutions to tackle congestion. Smart traffic systems use real-time data from sensors and cameras to optimize traffic light timings and manage the flow of vehicles. Navigation apps like Google Maps help drivers avoid congested routes, reducing the overall strain on certain roads. Long-term infrastructure planning. Building new roads and expanding existing ones are traditional methods of addressing congestion, but these solutions alone are often insufficient. Modern urban planning incorporates mixed-use development, pedestrian-friendly designs, and improved public transit systems to create cities less reliant on cars. Promoting sustainable alternatives. Encouraging the use of sustainable alternatives, such as cycling, walking, and carpooling, can significantly reduce traffic congestion. Many cities are investing in dedicated bike lanes, pedestrian pathways, and incentives for carpooling to shift travel behavior and ease road demand. Thanks for joining us on Blueprint to Reality as we explored the causes and solutions to traffic congestion. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay informed about the world of engineering and infrastructure. Together, let's design better roads and build a smoother future. See you in the next video.